deep prompt generator for business ideas. Have you ever wished you could come up with a money-making idea that was truly different? Something no one else had thought of? An idea with that wow factor. The kind of idea that makes people say, "Why didn't I think of that?" We've been there too. After endless trials and generic answers from AI tools like ChatGPT and Deepseek, we finally built something better. Introducing Deep Prompt Generator Pro, a small desktop app with one big purpose: to ask the right questions, the deep, thought-provoking prompts that unlock powerful, surprising, brilliant ideas. No fluff, no noise. Just structured, strategic prompts designed to change the way you think. The best part? You can test it right now for free. Most people are feeding their AI the same old shallow prompts and getting the same tired results. But when you change the input, you change your future. Don't just ask better questions. Ask the kind that unlock ideas that feel like they were waiting just for you. Try it. You may not think the same way again.